Event loop in Node.js is a fundamental mechanism. It helps Node.js to do non-blocking, asynchronous, and many tasks continuously, even though it running in a single-threaded environment. If we see the key feature of event loop in Node.js, these are single-threaded, non-blocking I/O, asynchronous task, and also highly scalable. Event loop can handle many tasks at a time, even though it uses single-threaded. It can handle file, network, and database operation at a time. It can do operation in the background as well. It is highly scalable, that is so much useful for Node.js. So these are the key feature of event loop in Node.js. npm and yarn both are package manager in JavaScript. It helps a developer to manage package in Node.js. So both are similar, but they have slightly different as well. If we see speed, yarn is more faster than npm, and yarn support also offline install. On the other hand, npm doesn't have this feature. Then if we see the workspace between npm and yarn, yarn workspace is larger than npm. Then if we see the CLI command, yarn command are more shorter than npm. npm and yarn are both same, almost same, but yarn is more upgradable for manages the packages in JavaScript. Node.js is a single threaded, even though it can handle multiple tasks, it can handle asynchronous tasks as well. So Node.js handle multiple tasks using event loop, callback queue, and thread pool. If we see an example, if we use any other callback function, so firstly it going on the queue, then execute there. On the other side, it handle others code as well. So after solving the queue code like callback function, then it return, and on the same time others code also be executed. So event loop helps the Node.js to do this at a time. So the three error handling part in Express.js is so much important for us, because any error can stop our server, can be so much crashable for our server. So global error handler is so much helpful to solve the error. It shows all the error from our application in one place. So it is so much helpful to find out the error and solve this error so fastly. It also it also help to stop the crashing of the server. It gives the user more smooth experience. So we need to work on the global error handler so much carefully, because we need to find all the error and solve the error so fastly. In this process, global error handling help us so nicely. Next function in Express.js is one of the important function. So if we use one or two middleware or more than two, they need to work step by step. So if one middleware executed, then go for next like chaining system. So next function do this chaining system. If one middleware first middleware executed, then next function throw to the next middleware. After solve the next middleware, then again next function through on the other middleware or other respective code. Code's origin resource sharing allows server to take a request from other website. So if we add front end like client side to the server, then we need to add the course origin because course origin is a security policy. If anyone from any other browser want to send a request, then course origin blocked them. If course origin not work properly, then others can easily hamper our server, so we cannot get very much output from our server.